As you see here, already open PureRef. You see here it's another interior project, so I decided to start a new series in Blender. So I will do the interior visualization for this interior project. So starting from modeling and finishing with rendering and post-production. As you see here that I'm gathering these image references for this project, so I like it and I decided to work on it. It's just a simple project, a studio composed from living room, kitchen and a simple bedroom. I like the design, so I will try to recreate it, this project in Blender in series format. So we will do that step by step. I will show you all my workflow, starting from the 2D plan and finishing with the post-production and rendering. The first thing we do is to start to add the 2D plan in Blender. So we go to Shift A, image and image reference, and add the 2D plan. So you will find this 2D plan in the link in the description below, so in archviz site. So you need to click in the image of the 2D plan. If you use Chrome browser, you need to drag the image in a new window and save it easily in your PC. So to start this, we need to rescale this 2D plan because it's just an image, not a CAD drawing. So we need to fix the scale of this 2D plan by using another object. For example, as an architect, the majority of the interior walls is 10 centimeters width and 10 centimeters in the larger. So for example, we pick this wall and add a new cube, Shift A, cube, and we add it normally. Then we go to item and going to dimension and changing in the X axis and the Y axis, and we put 10 centimeter directly in Blender. Then we rescale this 2D plan according to this cube until we match these dimensions. So scale like this and move the plan to this area to better vision. Then we rescale it another time, rescale it another time, rescale it another time, just a little bit, and done. It needs some scale like this and needs some scale S. So for me it's done, so I will clear the position to make it return to the origin, but don't clear the scale. I will clear just the position of the 2D plan by clicking Alt G. I forget to enable the screencast key. Then we apply the scale for this plan. Shift A and scale. This is everything for the object scale. I hope you like it. This is just the first part. Stay tuned for the upcoming parts. So thanks for watching. I hope you like it. See you in another videos. Salam.